Millions of smart meters in enterprise and residential sites provide remote command and control features in addition to traditional energy registering and reporting services. To ensure a reliable and secure smart metering system and minimizing disruption to related value-added services, a true end-to-end security is essential. Poor security procedures, such as software testing, unsecure communications and other causes, can lead to unsecure operations or customer information disclosure. Hence, the design of a secure solution has to incorporate all involved stakeholders, systems and processes.
Telecommunications are becoming more and more important in our day-to-day life, and smart metering is a clear example of that. With the new generation of smart meters, a lot of information is daily gathered by the meters and sent to the head-end system, and the other way around, the head-end system is capable of sending commands like remote connect or disconnect, frequent update of power limitation to the meters. This current situation makes end-to-end security a priority in the smart meter rollouts. This security goes beyond the prime scope because it includes the head-end system, device robustness, remote access, and communication protocols. And this securitization has to maintain the performance and the interoperability between many different manufacturers that can comprise a PLC meter network.
Prime security features focus on the entire network lifecycle, such as commissioning, operation, and management. Starting with the registration of devices, Prime relies on the latest recommendations by NIST so that Prime network devices, called base nodes and service nodes, can securely generate the keys. Furthermore, Prime uses AES CMAC with a key size of 128 as underlying pseudo-random function for deriving the registration and the key wrapping key. Leveraging the unique key provided during the registration process, additional robust authentication and authorization methods can be built on the Prime registration mechanism. During the operation, a working key is used to encrypt all UniCat data transmitted among base and service node. A subnetwork working key may be used to encrypt broadcast, multicast, and switching related transactions referred to as direct connections between service nodes. Confidentiality, data authenticity, and data integrity are ensured using cryptographic algorithms following the AES 128 CCM specification. For management purposes, Prime works with diverse validity time limitations for its working key and subnetwork working key, and specifies a process for secure firmware updates. Devices should run an integrity check of the downloaded firmware, verifying the validity of the firmware through RSA 3072 with SHA 256 or ECDSA 256 with SHA 256 signature algorithms.
3 years ago, Iberdrola Distribución started a complex and challenging project to progressively secure its smart metering infrastructure. This project included in the scope the communications between the meter and the data concentrator that goes through DLMS COSM over Prime, the communications between the data concentrator and the head-end system, and also the remote access to field devices and device robustness. The project had as a starting point the key performance indicators for daily and weekly readings and the interoperability of many manufacturers due and thanks to the open standards use. The project had different phases carried out with many manufacturers to make sure that the solution was suitable and the performance was as desired. The different phases were specification development, software development by the manufacturers, testing with simulators, testing in a development environment with real devices, certification with external labs to check that functionality and performance was as desired, and finally field pilots and subsequent extensions. We had these many phases to validate that each phase was completed and the performance was as expected before moving to the next phase and have a complete, robust solution for the meter infrastructure.
Prime delivers a series of security-related features to protect control and data transactions within a PLC telecommunication system. Prime supports a set of flexible security features that allows utilities to activate for their telecommunication subnetworks the security mechanisms that suit best for the different applications. Smart metering is just the first application that Prime subnetworks support. In the near future, new applications such as low voltage grid automation will also make use of the secure telecommunication services provided by Prime subnetworks.